Hi everyone, welcome back to Want to Step. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'll be guiding you on how you can change email on Facebook. So to get started, first of all, go ahead and open up your Facebook application and the user face will appear somewhat like this. Now from the appear section, go ahead and tap on the menu which is appear on the bottom right corner. Now go ahead and tap on settings which is appear on the top right corner near the search bar. Now what you have to do is scroll all the way down and you can see the profile details. So in the contact info section you can see the edit button. Go ahead and tap on it. Now what you have to do is tap on manage contact info. So here you can see I haven't add any email. So what you can do is tap on add contact and again tap on add email. Now type down your email address and confirm it and you will receive your verification code and you can just re-enter your verification code and you are good to go. So this is how easily you can change email on Facebook. So if you found the video to be helpful and informative, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.